dragon? How could that happen? Oh, these fishies again. No, why are you going there? Stop! No princess for you. I told you not to jump there. Oh, I can't take it anymore. You forgot the coin. Mushroom. Get the mushroom.
Sue, I don't have any mushrooms.
Go get the mushrooms.
I don't have it.
No. Don't run into the dragon.
Which dragon? Oh!
There's a snail ahead. Don't go there.
Gary, where? Sue and me? What about me?
Sam, don't distract me.
Really? I want to play too. Oh, I know. Mario, you say? We'll see who wins here. Sue, we'll play Mario together.
Huh?
I have an idea. Come.
Hi, guys.
Hey, Mario lovers and everyone.
Tell me, what did you come up with this time?
Mario. Oops.
Is that why you brought so many wooden bricks here?
Sure, they're the main part of the game. We'll build a wall from these bricks.
A wall?
Correct! It will be a super game wall.
Oh.
And Mario will be on top of it.
Uh-huh. Okay, I don't quite get it, but it sounds cool. Sam, tell me, what do I need to do?
First, take this brush and the paint.
Thanks, Sam.
And start painting the base of our wall.
Where are you off to, my restless friend?
I have to prepare new parts.
Oh, okay then. Well. We'd better polish this piece first. To do it, we'll need some sandpaper. We'll make this bar perfectly smooth so we don't get any splinters. Let's work on all the edges, thoroughly and carefully. The surface should be smooth. It's a very important step. If you like it when everything is beautiful, of course. Here, the surface became smooth and now we can paint it. I'm not surprised that Sam chose this chocolate color. Looks tempting, but what is it for? Maybe it's not a wall at all. But what then? A huge chocolate bar? Da-da-da-da-da-da. Sam's still not here. He could give more info about what I'm doing. The time is running and I'm still painting. This way I'll be doing it forever. Oh no, I know a faster way. Ta-da! No more log painting. Phew, the color's so even. Awesome.
Here I am.
Oh, what's this for?
We'll make new pieces according to this layout.
Aha, I got it. Okay, let's start. This brick wall will be held together by glue, not concrete. Like this. It's the beginning.
Yes. Good job, Sue. You're doing great, and I'll make the second part.
Done. What's next, Sammy?
Time to paint again.
Sam, what is your actual idea, huh? I'm super curious.
I already told you to play Mario together.
But we have the console for this. You can play for Luigi. Or just watch how I fight everyone fiercely.
But I want to play with you.
Really? Then let's play a fighting game, my friend.
Whee! Friendly brush battle. Sue, you aren't giving in, are ya?
No, Sammy, I'm playing seriously. And the winner is friendship.
Oh, shall we paint together?
Sure, I can't do it without you, Sammy. You're the best helper. Just answer a simple question. A snap or a clap?
Maybe we can do a bit of magic. You know, my favorite kind.
Oh, go ahead, sir. Go ahead. You're the pro here. I even have a special cloth. We'll cover the parts. And done.
I see you are prepared. Just like for a real trick. Paint, repaint, boom! And I'll freeze for a sec. And all eyes are on me. Whoosh! Remove the cloth. Do it quick for the trick to be successful.
Whoosh! Here's our magic trick. Woohoo! It worked. It's so bright and amazing, Sammy. I love our magical ideas. Magic adds something special to our crafts, right? Check out this rich color. Now we have 3 perfectly painted parts. The question is, what for? What do we do next, Mr. Great Inventor?
You're thinking in the right way, but you shall glue the green parts to the base. But do it really well. It's super important.
The notches should be facing each other like this, correct?
Right you are. Here's the craft tool.
Okay, we'll apply a bit of glue and spread it all over the surface. Now let's glue our part carefully and super firmly. We can even press it a little. Now it's time for the second part. Guys, be careful with the hot glue. Ask an adult to help you. There you go, let's set the second green part, and here's the structure we got in the end. I hope it's the thing we need.
Cool! Great! Awesome! It's high time to use our bricks. I already painted them a juicy orange color, and now they're bright like oranges.
So appetizing. I would love to eat one of these.
Susan, it's my thing to compare crafts with food.
Oops, well, the bricks are just too beautiful, but of course they are absolutely inedible.
Right, everything for the game. For a great mission, I'd say.
So many bright colors today. My head's spinning already. Such a lovely sight. Every brick is a masterpiece. It's a perfectionist's heaven.
Let's better build the wall, Dreamer Sue.
Awesome! I was waiting for it. Finally, I know everything. Brick to brick. Step by step. One by one. Let's use some editing magic. You're not against that, are you guys? And our wall is growing and growing.
Go, Sue! I believe in you!
You believe in me? You better help.
You're doing just fine. And I have a different task.
Oh, okay. Let's proceed. We'll accelerate a bit so the wall grows faster. This is fun. The wall's so bright. The last layer, the last row, the last brick, and done! Here you go, Sammy. A bright, juicy wall for our game is locked and loaded. I can't wait to play.
It's just super awesome. I could only dream about it. Meet Mario. Mario, this is Sue.
We've met before. I'll tell you a secret. Soon you'll conquer the wall. But stand here for a while.
This will serve as a platform for him.
Another puzzle. Let me think. We'll add a bit of glue. There we go. And let's glue the bricks together. And Mario goes here.
Mario looks cool as well.
We just need to assemble the hammers for the game.
I'll make my own hammer myself if it's okay.
All right, Sammy, and I'll assemble mine. To make a hammer, we'll need a brick and this stick. You can pick a brick of any color. We'll add a drop of glue and connect the brick to the stick.
My hammer is ready!
And mine as well! Let's have a closer look. They came out great! So, my valiant hero, let's go play.
Dear viewers, I proudly present the Mario dropping game made of wood. And here come the two players, beautiful crafty Sue.
And great inventor Sam.
Let's go, the game begins.
Wait, first we need to tell our viewers about the rules.
That's no big deal. You take the hammer and hit the bricks until Mario falls down.
But the player who drops Mario loses.
So, shall we start, guys? Sabotage! Yay! I did it!
Oh, great job, Sam. Now it's my turn. So I'll choose this brick. Bam, bam, bam! Yes!
Whoa, Sue did her best. Now me. Come on, come on! Ah! Have my revenge! Let's play once more, Sue.
Okay, let's do it again. Up. Ta-da!
This time I'll use a new strategy.
Oh boy, can't wait to see it. Now the first hit is mine. Like this, carefully.
Oh, I guess this brick is easy to knock out. Oh no! My plan didn't work.
That's what you get when you try to cheat. That's an exciting game, Sammy. It was so much fun.
Yeah, very much. I lost in the game I made myself. Just awesome.
Oh, come on, you'll definitely win next time.
I want a rematch right now, so I really need to win.
Okay, your word is my command. While Sam is rebuilding the wall in his energy, let me ask you, did you like our craft? If yes, then subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up.
I assembled it a long time ago, and I'm waiting for you now, or in a couple of seconds. And you guys hit the bell button not to miss anything. And I have to win Sue over. It's a matter of honor, you know. Bye-bye.
See you in the next video, guys. Oh, Sammy, I'm not going easy on you.